Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, today, I am going to be making some chicken alfredo. Yeah, chicken alfredo. Let me show y'all. So I got the noodles already made. Type stuff, and then I got the chicken right here. And the seasonings and stuff. That's pizza. That's my mama's pizza. And then, wait. Then we got the chicken alfredo. Just the alfredo sauce. This right here is the best one out of all of them that I've tried. This is the best one. We also got the ones in there with just, let me show y'all. Wait, I'm going to show y'all because I don't know how to explain it. We also got these right here. But these are decent. Like, compared to homemade alfredo, these are okay. You know, like if you make chicken alfredo, they're okay. But like for real though, I don't know how to pronounce y'all because I'm not French. I speak a little bit of French. Like bonjour, mon amour. Like basic stuff like that. But like, y'all need to sponsor me, you know? Sponsor me. Just why not? Okay, I'm gonna try to find a better angle for y'all because this is not doing what it's supposed to give. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. No. Okay, I can use this. Sit this right here. Put y'all on here. Boom. Wait. Gotta get it right. This is the best it's gonna get, y'all. This is the best it's gonna get. Unless I sit y'all back here. Is that better? I don't know if that's better. Yeah, okay, whatever. So, I got a frying pan. I don't know if it's big enough because the chicken's pieces are like right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can. But I'm finna go ahead and season it real quick. I'm gonna turn this on low because this is on high right now. Okay, so we got the natural seasonings right here. Dang. I already rinsed them off, like cleaned them and stuff like that. So now all we gotta do is just add the seasonings. Alright. And then we got some garlic powder. It's not even open. It isn't even open. Wait. Okay, so I tried to open it as much as I can, so I'm just gonna like sprinkle it on here because this stuff is strong. Okay, so use that. Then we got some accent. I ain't gonna add a lot of this because, you know. Okay. Then we got onion powder. And then we got, this used to be called Mrs. Dash, but now they call it just Dash. Like, and then we got the black pepper. And then we got seasoned salt. Now, this, I don't cook with no more salt. I always cook with seasoning salt or either something else. I don't cook with salt. But we do have salt, I just don't cook with salt. Make sure y'all use the tiny side, not the big side. Please don't use that. Okay, let me. Now we just gotta flip them over. And then just repeat that whole entire process. Okay, y'all, so instead of using the stove thing, I'm using that. Anyways, like I was saying, I'm gonna use this. Now, this is a device where, like, it's a deep fryer, basically. So, yeah. But I'm not gonna put, like, no flour on it because I don't want it to be deep fried. I just want it to be fried. You know? Yeah. Got a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Gotta kill the walk. Okay, so let me show y'all this real quick. So this is a device. Don't mind all that stuff. Don't mind that. Like the little, you get it. Okay, so the little blue thing means that it's powering, it's getting hot, but it's not ready. It's a little green thing right there. And then it tells you if it's ready. Yeah, type stuff. But y'all see the chicken? It looks unseasoned, but y'all trust me, it's seasoned. Oh, the water finna drip everywhere. Seasoned. I wish it would hurry up to become summer again, because I low-key miss, like, going to the pool with my cousin, Deontay. Good old days. Yo, this stuff need to hurry up. Why is it taking so long? I'm very impatient. Why is it taking so long? This is the device. It turns over like that, so you can pour all of this stuff out without no problem. Okay, so now it's ready. Preheated, because it's on the green part now. So now I'm gonna bring y'all to record with me. Gonna take the chicken, we're gonna put it in there just like so. Don't know if y'all can see up in there. Yeah, y'all can now. Oopsie. Back y'all up some. You gotta make sure all these can fit in here. Trying to make sure they can though, cause I'm not trying to do no second batch of chicken. Okay, y'all ready? Now I gotta clean this. Y'all wanna see what it look like? Yeah. Type stuff. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm gonna let that cook. I'm gonna go sit in my room. The cats are eating. I don't know if y'all can see them. Y'all probably can't. Okay, so I'm just flipping them over. And when that gets done, I have to fix the noodles and put it in the alfredo sauce. And then I'm gonna cut up the chicken and then put the chicken in the alfredo. Mix it up, boom. I, I don't know if I should take it out now or I should leave it in there for a couple more minutes. I'm gonna leave it in there for a little bit longer. Cause, yeah, I just don't want to eat no uncooked chicken. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Be still. You see? Okay. Give them kiss. Say kiss. Good job. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out now because, yeah, I think it's done. Yeah. Manage storage. Yeah, it's done. I just realized y'all can't see what I'm doing. Yeah. Okay, hold up. Okay, so I switched it. That's over there now, and this is over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to wait. Is this big enough? Wait. Ugh. Yeah, it's big enough. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the alfredo in there. that that is mixed a little bit, I'm gonna put it on here. I'm gonna put that on here. Turn the stove on. Let it cook for a little bit. I'm gonna cut up the chicken, and then I'm gonna put the chicken in here, and then I'm gonna eat. Simple. And then we're gonna rate it. First of all, I don't even know if this is enough alfredo. Hold up. Okay, so that's as most that I can get out, so I'm just gonna throw it away now. Alright. So now that that is cooking, I'm going to put the stuff in there. Well, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit more, but yeah. And I'm gonna taste this real quick to see how the chicken tastes, and then I'm gonna put the chicken in there. I thought my cat was eating my other cat's food, but he wasn't. I'm gonna cut that piece off because it just look like fat. Oopsie. It ripped off the whole entire piece of chicken, but I'm finna eat it. Yeah. Yeah. That tastes like them restaurant chicken tenders, but better. Wait. I'm gonna let my brother try it. He said it was good. That's good. That's good. That's very good. Okay, I'm gonna mix this because I don't want my stuff to burn. Okay. Yeah, please be careful. If y'all using a knife, get a adult's vision to help you, cause I don't want y'all cutting yourselves. Okay, I'm gonna do all this off camera and then. Okay, so I already put the stuff in the alfredo. I forgot to record, but yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all when I put it on the plate. Okay. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it, and then I'm gonna end this video. So, I'm gonna take some chicken, and then I'm gonna put it in my mouth, and then I'm gonna put some freaking noodles in there. It's good, but you might want to add a little bit of salt and pepper. But it's like a 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10. Pretty good. But I hope you guys like this video. If you did, smash the thumbs up button and subscribe. Comment down below if you like this video, and if you don't, tell me why, and stuff like that. Love you guys so much.